Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to post comment on Instagram story. Yeah, right, you have heard that right. Because Instagram has recently updated, so all you need to do is head over to Instagram's application and make sure you have logged in into your current Instagram account with which you want to post a comment. So head over any of the story you want to comment on. Suppose I'm going to this one. And here on the lower left corner, you can see an option of commenting. Click on that. And there comes the commenting option, and just add a comment for that specific story. You can just write whatever you want. Suppose I'm writing this and click on that arrow and the comment will be posted. And yeah, this is how you can post comment on Instagram story. This is cool, right? Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any sort of questions, just leave it on the comment box and we will see you in the next one.